near that ramp at the back. And this rounds off our merge demonstration. This is another of these aircraft that are capable of carrying and looking after and treating casualties. So we'll do a 4-point roll. They were then deciding to convert one to a jet. Here is the shape of the barrel right on the axis of the display. The aircraft is 2013 Aerostars. So there they go, you see that very distinctive cruciform look, a large aircraft. Got over in a complete loop with Mark Rixer in the lead, a lawyer from New Zealand, co-director now. On his right, number 2, Gabriel Barton. Like other members of the team, he started flying as a glider pilot at the age of 16. They're positioning off to our right for a double quarter clover. More about that in just a moment. Number 3 on the leader's left is Mark Levy, the past leader of the team, air traffic controller and part-time flying instructor. Now captain with BA. Flies 777 aircraft. So there's the smoke coming on, so to make it easy for us to pick them out in the sky. Power. The guy on the left is on idle. Keep the formation shape exactly right. As they do that quarter clover maneuver, it will change the direction of their flight to 90 degrees, and they'll do it again. So when they switch off the smoke like that, that means that's the end. Now I think he's going to start with the tail slide, but I'm not sure about that. Looks a bit like it's the aircraft slowing right down. It's stationary. It's actually falling backwards into his own smoke. A perfect tail slide. Very difficult to control an aircraft to do that, requiring great skill.